in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right YouTube app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So YouTube comes pre-installed on Android smartphone, but for some reasons, you might find that your smartphone is missing this YouTube app. If that's the case, then you can follow these steps. Alternatively, also, if you are on iPhone and you are missing YouTube, then just go to your phone. If you are on Android, look for this Play Store app. However, if you are on iPhone, you should look for App Store. Tap on it, and then from here, make sure if you're on Android, you are logged in with your Gmail before you search for your app. So I'll just search for YouTube, search the app by name like that, and then run your search. So as you can see, for my case, I have already installed the app, but for you to identify and know the right YouTube app, you can see we have quite a number of imitations, and you want to find the right YouTube app. So first open it, make sure it is from Google LLC, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.2 with over 158 million reviews. So it has been reviewed a lot, and currently this app has been downloaded over 10 billion times, so it has a huge following. Now if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. Now proceed and tap on install. You should see an option to install here, and this will come straight to your smartphone. Once you have installed, now you can proceed and tap on open, or if you go to your phone, you should be able to find the app. Open it to start watching your favorite videos. So that's how you can download and install the right YouTube app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.